Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Cisco Webex. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Cisco Webex space download and press enter. You'll get the first link, download the Webex desktop and mobile apps. Click on it. This is the official website to download Cisco Webex. Then click on for Windows 64-bit. It will download the installer. We'll click on open. I'll minimize the web browser as we don't need it. So this installer is going to download required files from the server. Once the software is installed, you will get this license agreement. You'll need to click on agree, and that's the interface. To join a meeting, you can click on join a meeting, paste the meeting link and click on next. Otherwise, you can go back. You can also sign in. If you click on sign in, you can provide your email address and you can log in, or else you can also sign up and create an account. So that's the interface for the software. I'll close this for now. So post installation, you will have the Cisco Webex icon on the desktop. Also, you can start the Cisco Webex by clicking on the Windows Start and type Webex and click on Open. This will launch the Webex software. I'll just close this for now. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.